Well, I spent the entire day trying to replace this stupid resistor wire, and I'm pretty sure it's not the problem. So, this is the resistance measured from where I clipped it at the splice under the dash to where it runs out to where it connects to the coil. So it has 0.7 ohms in the stretch of wire between there, where it connects to the coil, all through the loom, through the firewall, and over to here where it would be normally spliced in. So I cut out the resistor wire that was spliced there before, and presumably it would have a whole bunch of resistance in it, right? Because that's the one that's bad. But we'll leave that there. We'll just take our voltmeter here. Sorry about the sirens, I live in the hood. Alright, so here's the resistor wire I clipped out. One end where it was in the ignition switch, other end where it was at the splice. So if I take my voltmeter now, we'll just set this up here so you can see. Come on, you dingus. Alright, we'll just have to freehand this here. So we'll probe one end here. Probe the other endo here. And what the squiggly eagly? 2.1. I just don't have a very good grip on it here, but and the other one, if you hold it tighter here, let me try and pinch all this stuff together. I had it down to 1.7 or something like that. There we go. So, you know, the tighter you hold it, you get it down to like 1.7, 1.8, which is, you know, a little higher. I'm pretty sure the wire was supposed to be 1.4 ohms or something like that. So, really, it's not starting over 0.4 ohms? I don't know that that's the issue. So, I'm a little annoyed. You know, take a look here at what I had to fucking do to get trace this wire all the way through to the other side there. I mean, this was not, you know, a small amount of work.